Hi. Hi, it's James David, and I'm just going to show you these maple tree pods. They're called wing pods, I believe. Here's one. And like the birds eat them right away, so you have to get them before, like this one's already eaten. This one's already eaten, so let me find a better one. I'm just going to keep looking here. Right here, maybe. Yeah, this one's good. Okay, you see that? Or maybe not. That's not good either. Has no cell seed in it. But this is a maple tree. And this is 12 Harbor Road. And this is Akwesasne, Ontario, Canada. And we have these maple trees. And they drop these wing pods like this right here. Like this one. This one might work. These two are like fused together. Okay. So I got this one. So all I want you to do is stick this in the ground. You just stick it in the ground. You need like a stick or something. Like that. You just get it so it's sticking up and it's planted. And it takes about a year to grow about a foot. So just take all the maple tree pods and plant them wherever you want trees. Just the way I showed you. Stick them in the ground. Stick them in the ground with the pointed side down. Alright? Save yourself a lot of time and use these wing pods. But try to get ones that are fresh though. These ones are too brown.